Good morning. My name is Komal from BSc Final Year Chemistry Honors. I am reading a chapter of a Organic Chemistry for visual impaired student. Our chapter name Fat, Oil and Detergent. Let's start introduction. Oil and fat are widely distributed in nature, both in animal and plant kingdoms. In animals, they are present under the skin and in muscles, but in plants, they are mainly found in seeds. Some important examples of fat are butter, lard, beef, etc. While groundnut oil, cottonseed oil, olive oil, palm oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, linseed oil, sesame oil, etc. are important examples of vegetable oil. Fat and oils are one of the three major constituents of our food, the other two being carbohydrate and protein. In fact, fat and oil serve as energy reservoirs for the animals. In human being, only a few hundred grams of a glycogen carbohydrate can be stored, which can barely supply the body energy need for about 12 to 18 hours. In contrast, large amount of fats 12 kg for an average person weighing 70 kg can be stored while can supply the body energy need for about an week. Besides the oils, this oil and fats serve as raw material for a number of industries such as soap, paint, furniture and vanaspati ghee. Natural fat, the fat obtained from animal sources such as butter from milk of cow and buffaloes, lard from hogs and tallow from sheep, goat, goats, etc. are called natural fat. This name is simply due to different these fat from those fat which are obtained by hydrogenation of oil. Edible and non-edible oil. Oil such as groundnut oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, rapeseed or mustard oil, olive oil, sesame oil, which are used for cooking purpose, are called edible oil, while oils such as cottonseed oil, linseed oil, castor seed oil, and Mou oil, which are used in soap, paint, varnish, and lacquer industries, are non-edible oil or industrial oil. On the basis of iodine value, oil have also been classified as drying, semi-drying, and non-drying oil as discussed. Industrial oil may include essential oil or mineral oil. Essential oils such as rose oil, jasmine oil, lavender oil, eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, etc. are volatile oil isolated from plant. Essential oil may be hydrocarbon, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, ester, but not ester of glycerol, etc. For example, peppermint oil and essential oil contain methanol and alcohol and as its chief constitution. Essential oils are mainly used in perfume, cosmetic and pharmaceutical products. On the other hand, mineral oil such as paraffin oil is a mixture of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon and non-ester or triglyceride. They cannot be sonified. They are called oily simply because their physical appearance. They are non-edible and are mainly used as fuel. Triglyceride composition of oil and fat. As stated above, fat and oil are triester of glycerol with higher aliphatic monocarboxylic acid. In other words, they are triacylglycerol and are commonly known as glycerides. Fat and oil may be represented by the general formula tri triglycerol, triacylglycerol and or triglyceride, where R dash and R double dash may be same or different alkyl group. Fatty acid. With only a few exceptions, all the monocarboxylic acid isolated from fat and oil are straight chain compound containing 318 carbon atom. Further, with the exception of a only carbon 3 and carbon 5 acid, all other acids found in fat and oil contain even number of carbon atom. The six saturated fatty acids present in oil and fat are fatty acid. With only a few exceptions, all the monocarboxylic acid isolated from fat and oil are straight chain compound containing 3 to 18 carbon atom. Further, with the exception of only carbon 3 and carbon 5 acid, all other acids found in fat and oil contain even number of carbon atom. The shift saturated fatty acids present in oil and fat are uric acid, myristic acid, palmitic acid, जिसकी मोलिकुलर फॉर्मूला C15 हाइड्रोजन 31 और कार्बोक्लिक एसिड. Citric acid molecular formula carbon 17 hydrogen 35 and carboxylic acid. Besides saturated fatty acid, unsaturated fatty acid containing one or more double bond in cis orientation may also be present in oil and fat. The six unsaturated fatty acids present in oil and fat are oleic acid, linoleic acid. Classification of glyceride. The three fatty acids in glyceride may be same or different. Therefore, glyceride and classified on simple or mixed glyceride accordingly as they have the same or different acid residue. For examples, tripalmitin or glyceryl tripalmitate, simple glyceride, mixed glyceride. Glyceride are further classified into saturated and unsaturated glyceride according as they contain saturated fatty acid residue or unsaturated fatty acid residue. For examples, tristin and triolene. Tristinene है saturated triglyceride and triolene है unsaturated triglyceride. Both simple and mixed glyceride are found in natural oil and fat. In fact, oil and fat are complex mixture of a mixed glyceride along with a small amount of simple glyceride. Chemical difference between oil and fat. The main difference between oil and fat is the of a saturated and unsaturated glyceride. Triglyceride with higher proportion of saturated, such as palmitic acid, stearic acid, are solid at ordinary temperature 298 Kelvin and are called fat, while those with higher proportion of unsaturated acid residue such as oleic acid, linoleic acid, etc. are liquid at ordinary temperature and are called oil. Melting point of glyceride. As stated above, fatty acids have one or more double bonds having less stable stereochemistry. For example, oleic acid has one cis double bond at carbon 9. Linoleic acid has two double bonds at carbon 9 and carbon 12, while linoleic acid has 3 6 double bonds at carbon 9, carbon 12, and carbon 15 position. Saturated triglyceride solid, tristyrene. Chemical proportion. Chemical properties. Fat and oil being triesteropglycerol, so all the reaction of simple ester. In case the glyceride unsaturated fatty acid residue, they also known show the usual addition and oxidation reaction of alkenes. Some important reaction of fatty and fats and oil are given below. Hydrolysis. Fat and oil are readily hydrolyzed by treatment with superheated steam, oil or alkyls. Fat or oil treated with water in presence of 500 Kelvin pressure, then form glycerol and fatty acid. Hydrolysis by superheated steam or mineral acid give a mix of a fatty acid and glycerol. The hydrolysis is carried out by alkylic glycerol and salt of fatty acid are formed. Since the salt of a higher fatty acid thus formed are used as soap, the alkaline hydrolysis commonly called ponification. In the digestive system of human being and animal, fats and oil are hydrolyzed to glycerol and fatty acid by a number of enzymes called lipases. Hydrogenation. Oil which contain a higher proportion of unsaturated glyceride add on hydrogen in the presence of finely divided nickel as catalyst to form solid fat, for example, triolenes, tristin. This process is called hydrogenation or hardening of oil. It is similar to catalytic hydrogenation of alkene and involves the reduction of double bond present in unsaturated glyceride to form saturated glyceride. This process is actually used for manufacture of vanaspati ghee from groundnut, sunflower and other edible oils. Hydrogenation is never carried out to complete, but it stops as soon as the fat of a consistency comparable to ghee is obtained. The completely hydrogenated fats are too hard to be useful as kitchen shortening. The main advantage of hydrogenation is that as compound to oil, fat have stronger qualities and do not become uh, rancid easily. Hydrogenously. Hydrogenolysis. Conversion to alcohol. Fat and oil on treatment with hydrogen at high temperature and pressure and in presence of copper. Bromide as catalysts undergo reductive cleavage to form glycerol and long-chain aliphatic alcohol. For example, tristin in presence of a hydrogen high temperature and pressure then form glycerol and N-octadecay alcohol. This splitting of a fat or an oil to glycerol and a higher long chain alcohol by hydrogen is called hydrogenolysis. The long chain alcohol thus produced are used for the manufacture of synthetic detergent, transesterification. Fat and oils can be converted into simple ester of carboxylic acid such as methyl ethyl ester etc. by transesterification. It involves the treatment of a fat or an oil with a large excess of a suitable alcohol in presence of acidic or basic catalyst. For examples, alpha oleo beta stira alpha platinum in presence of methanol then form glycerol and mixture of methyl alkate, methyl stearate and methyl palmitate. The process of transesterification is quite useful for the large-scale preparation of long-chain fatty acids and long-chain primary alcohol of high purity. For this purpose, the mixture of methyl ester obtained by transesterification is subjected to fractional distillation to separate the individual ester. This upon hydrolysis yield fatty acid of high purity. Alternative, the individual methyl ester are reduced to get long-chain primary alcohol. Addition of alcohol, like alkene, unsaturated glyceride, add halogen across the double bond to form addition product. The addition of iodine is usually carried out by treating the fat or the oil with iodine in presence of mercury chloride as catalyst. Since the amount of iodine used is proportional to the number of double bonds present, therefore this reaction is used for determination of exchange of unsaturated in a given fat or the oil. Rancidity. When fat and oil are exposed to warm air and moisture for a long time, they develop a disagreeable smell and taste. This process is called rancidity and involves the hydrolysis of ester to produce fatty acid and oxidation of double bond to form short chain acid and aldehyde. These short chain acid and aldehyde are volatile and have official smell. Therefore, they impart unpleasant odor to oil and fat. Rancidity is following two types. First, hydrolytic rancidity. This type of a rancidity is caused by the liberation of lower fatty acid by hydrolysis of triglyceride. For example, when butter is exposed to warm air and moisture, the hydrolysis of the glyceride in butter yields butyric acid and other volatile acids with unpleasant odor. This process of a hydrolysis is catalyzed by enzymes which are provided by the microorganisms present in air. This type of hydrolytic rancidity can, however, be checked by keeping the butter covered in a refrigerator. Oxidative rancidity. This type of rancidity is caused by oxidation of the unsaturated triglyceride by air to form short chain acid and aldehyde having unpleasant smell. It is believed that first the ester linkage are hydrolyzed to yield unpleasant acid which undergo oxidation at the site of double bond to produce short chain acid and aldehyde. For example, oleic acid react in presence of oxygen then form pelargonic acid and azelaic acid. Oxidative rancidity can be prevented by the addition of a certain chemical called antioxidant. Two antioxidants which occur in the natural fat are vitamin C and vitamin E. Analysis of fat and oil. Fat and oil are extensively used in a number of industries. Therefore, it is essential to check the quality of a given fat or an oil. This involves the determination of physical constants such as melting point, specific gravity, refractive index, etc., and chemical constants such as acid value, iodine value, saponification value, Gister missile value, etc. Some important chemical constants are described below. Acid value. It is defined as the number of a milligram of potassium hydroxide required to neutralize the free fatty acid present in 1 gram of a fat and or a oil. The acid value is determined by dissolving a known weight of a given fat or the oil in pure neutral alcohol and titrating agent standard chaos solution using pheno- phenolphthalein as indicator. The acid value is a measure of free acid present in a given fat or oil. A high acid value indicates that the given sample of the fat or oil is quite old and has become rancid. Phonification value. It is defined as the number of milligrams of potassium hydroxide required to completely sponify 1 gram of fat or oil. In other words, it represents the amount of potassium hydroxide in milligram required to neutralize the fatty acid formed as a result of complete flushing 1 gram of the fat or oil. Sponification value determined by the reflecting a weighting quality of a fat or oil with a known excess of a standard alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution and the titrating the unreactive alkali agent is standard acid. For example, sponification value trilated and tripalmitin can be determined as follows. Trilureate reaction with KOOH then form potassium laurate and glycerol. Potassium laurate can say soap. From the equation 1 mole of fat is equal to 3 mole of KOH or 638 gram of fat is equal to 3 into 56 gram is equal to 3 into 56 into 1000 milligram of KOH. Sponification value is equal to 3 into 56 into 1000 upon में 638 is equal to 263.3. It means 263 milligram of KOH per gram of fat. Similarly, for tripalmitin having molecular weight 806, sponification value 16,800 upon में 806 around equal to 208. Thus, the sponification value give an idea about the molecular weight of the fat or the oil. Obviously, smaller the sponification value, higher is the molecular weight. For example, tripalmitin molecular weight 806 has a sponification value 208. Where trilaurate with molecular weight 638 has a sponification value of 263. The sponification value also indicates the length of carbon chain of an acid moiety present in the oil fat. The higher the sponification value, greater the percentage of a short chain fatty acid in the glyceride of the fat oil. Butter with a short chain fatty acid has a sponification value between 210 to 30, whereas soya bean oil has sponification value between 189 to 195. Sponification value is used to determine the adulteration of a fat or an oil with some other oil or fat with lower or higher sponification value or even by some unsponifiable matter. Iodine value. It is defined as the number of a gram of iodine that will be combined with 100 gram of fats or oil. Iodine value may be determined by one of the following two methods. To Hubble method, it is method a solution of a known weight of the fat or oil is CCl4 is allowed to react with a known excess of a standard solution of iodine in ethanol in presence of mercury chloride as catalyst. The unreacted iodine in them determined by titrating it against standard sodium thiosulfate solution using stars as indicator. For example, iodine value of triolene may be calculated as following. Triolene molecular weight 884 From the above equation 1 mole of oil is equal to 3 mole of I2 मतलब iodine और 884 ग्राम of triolene is equal to 6 into 127 ग्राम of I2. Iodine value of triolene is equal to 6 into 127 upon 884 into hanger is equal to 86. Which method? It is method a solution of a more reactive iodine monochloride in glacial acetic acid is used in place of iodine and mercury chloride. A known weight of the oil fat is dissolved in CHCl3, which solution is the added. ICL added across the double bond. The ICL left unused in them treat with KI solution to liberate an equivalent ammonium of amount of iodine. The liberated iodine is then titrated against standard hypo solution using starch as indicator. The amount of ICl that has added across the double bond is then determined using the following reaction. Iodine value is equal to volume of hypo used for blank titration minus volume of hypo used for unreacted ICl into normality of the hypo solution and into 12.7 upon में weight of oil and fat taken. Iodine value is measure of extent of unsaturated present in an oil or fat. Higher the iodine value, more unsaturated is the oil or the fat. For example, iodine value of linseed oil 117-185, tung oil 163 to 171, soybean oil 127 to 138, sunflower oil 140 to 156, olive oil 80 to hanger. Richard Michel value (RM value). It is defined as the number of milliliter of 0.1 normal kWh required to neutralize the steam volatile fatty acid obtained by complete hydrolysis of 5 grams of the fat or oil. To determine the RM value, a known weight of the fat or oil is completely sponified with alkali. The resulting solution is acidified with dilute H2SO4 and subjected to steam distilled. The distillate which contains the volatile acid is then titrated against 0.1 normality kWh solution. The RM value is calculated as follows. RM value is equal to volume of 0.10 normality kWh used for neutralization into 5 upon weight of fat oil taken. Industrial oil of vegetable origin, drying oil. Curtain oil such as linseed oil, tung oil, China wood oil, perlic oil, etc. when exposed to air in thin layer from hard and tugged water insoluble solid. This process is known as drying and such oil are called drying oil. Oil like olive oil, groundnut oil, etc. which do not dry on exposure to air are called non-drying oil. And those which dry slowly, such as cottonseed oil, are called semi-dry oil. Chemically drying seed oil contain a high percentage of unsaturated glyceride, as shown by her high iodine value. On the other hand, non-drying oil have low iodine value, while semi-drying oil have intermediate iodine value. For example, drying oil have iodine value about 150 and non-drying oil have iodine value less than 100, while semi-drying oil have intermediate iodine value. Cottonseed oil iodine value 105 to 114. Unsaturated glyceride contain linoleic acid and linoleic acid as the unsaturated fatty acid residue. These acids contain 2 and 3 isolated double bonds respectively. In general, drying oil containing unsaturated glyceride with conjugated double bond dry more rapidly than those containing isolated double bond. Drying oil are used as medium for paint, varnish and lacquers. In fact, paint are suspension of some pigment of the organic coloring matter in linseed oil to which some turpentine oil has been added as a thinner. When these paints are applied or any wooden or iron suffer in the thin layer, they quickly dry up to form a tough organic film which protect the surface being painted. Mechanism. The actual process of drying does not simply involve removal of moisture or evaporation of solvent but involve complete changes. It is believed that the reactive allylic hydrogen present in unsaturated glyceride are first attacked by oxygen to form hydroxy compound which then combine with the allylic hydrogen of the other glyceride molecule forming peroxide rings. The monomer molecule thus obtained subsequently undergo polymerization to form a tough network solid. The whole process is a cracker blow. Linoleic acid residue react with oxygen from air, then form hydroperoxide. Soaps. Substance like soap and synthetic detergent which concentrate at the surface of the solution or form surface film residue reduce surface tension of the solution and help to removing dirty and dust by the flying grease are called surface active agent and surfactant. The molecule of a surfactant contains two characteristic groups, one of which is water soluble hydrophilic and one other is oil soluble lyophilic. Soap are sodium or potassium salt of higher fatty acid such as palmitic acid, formula is C carbon 15H13 1 and carboxylic acid. Oleic acid carbon 17 hydrogen 33 carboxylic acid. These soaps are generally obtained by the hydrolysis of oil and fat with aqueous alkali. The process is called saponification of oil and fat. For example, alpha palmito, beta oleo, alpha stearin react with sodium hydroxide, then form soap and glycerol. Now synthetic detergent. These days place of soap, the substances which are being largely used as cleansing agent are synthetic detergent. As the name suggests, they are obtained from purely synthetic chemical as compared to soap which are derived from chemical which are obtained from natural sources like oil, fat. In fact, synthetic detergent are sodium or potassium salt of long chain alkyl hydrogen sulfate or aryl sulfonic acid. Unlike soap, synthetic detergent can also be conventionally used even in hard water. This is due to reason that calcium and magnesium salt of detergent like their sodium or potassium salt are also soluble in water. Hence, synthetic detergents do not form cubely which precipitate with hard water. Further, they can also be used in acidic solution. However, synthetic detergents have one disadvantage. Unlike soap, they are not completely biodegradable and hence cause water pollution. The fat and oil commonly used for soap manufacture are tallow, lard, oil foam, olive oil, linseed oil, moho, oil, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, and palm oil. Soap containing 12 to 18 chain atoms have good cleansing action. Soap with 12 carbon atoms are comparatively soluble in water, where soap containing 18 to 22 carbon atoms are not useful as soap because of their insolubility of water. Sodium soap are generally hard and hence are called hard soap. These are used for washing of clothes. Potassium soap on other hand are more expensive and product a softer leather than and hence are called softer soap. They are used for making shaving cream, shampoo, liquid, soap, etc. Transparent soap are prepared by dissolving ordinary soap in alcohol and removing the insoluble part of filtration. Evaporation of alcohol leave behind transparent mass. Soap are 100% biodegradable. Microorganisms present in sewage water can completely oxidize soap into CO2. As a result, it does not create any pollution problem. However, soap has two disadvantages. Soap cannot be used in hard water since calcium and magnesium ion present in hard water produce purely which precipitate of calcium and magnesium soap. Soap cannot be used in acidic solution since acid present in the solution insoluble free fatty acid which adhere to the fabric and block the ability of a soap to remove oil and grease from fabric. Synthetic detergent of following three types. Anionic detergent. These are so called because large part of their molecule are anion. These are two types. Alkyl sulfate. They are obtained from long chain alcohol by treatment with concentration H2SO4 followed by neutralization with NaOH. Some important examples of this type of detergent are sodium totri sulfate and sodium stearily sulfate. Sodium lauryl sulfate is called sodium dodecyl sulfate and it's used in shampoos and cosmetics. These sodium alkyl sulfates are 100% biodegradable. These are also effective in slightly acidic solutions since they form an alkyl hydrogen sulfate which is a soluble material, whereas soap reacts with acidic solution to form insoluble fatty acid. Alkyl benzene sulfonates. These are obtained by conversion of benzene into long chain alkyl benzene followed by sulfonation and neutralization with NaOH. The most widely detergent is the sodium paranitrodecyl benzene sulfonate. It is prepared as follows: benzene in presence of a reagent anhydride AlCl3 then form N-dodecyanoyl benzene and then zinc mercury HCl Clemmensen reduction then form N-dodecabenzene then sulfonation reaction then form para N-dodecabenzene sulfonic acid then react with sodium hydroxide formation sodium para N-dodecyl benzene sulfonate. Alkyl benzene sulfonate is which the phenyl group is either attached to the end of the long alkyl chain or any other secondary position have high biodegradable and hence are called soap detergent, while alkyl benzene sulfonate having branched chain alkyl group have pure biodegradability and hence are called hard detergent. To differentiate the detergent on basis of biodegradability, alkyl benzene sulfonate having long straight chain such as sodium paranitro dodecyl benzene sulfonate and sodium 2-dodecyl benzene sulfonate alcohol LAS detergent means linear alkyl sulfonate, which those having branched chain alcohol ABS detergent alkyl benzene sulfonate. An important example of ABS detergent is hard or non-biodegradable ABS detergent. It is prepared by Spindlecraft reaction of tetramorphopropylene with benzene followed by sulfonation and neutralization with alkali. Cationic detergent. These are quaternary ammonium salt containing one or more long chain alkyl group. These are also called inverse soap because their surface activity is due to the position ion and not to a negative ion, as in alkyl hydrogen sulfate detergent being more expensive than the anionic detergent. They find limited use. Besides being good cleaning agent, they possess germicidal properties and therefore they widely used as germicide in hospital zone. Non-ionic detergent. These are ester of high molecular mass alcohol obtained by reaction between polyethylene glycol and stearic acid. Non-ionic detergent. These are ester of high molecular mass alcohol obtained by reaction between polyethylene glycol and stearic acid. These may also be obtained from long-chain alcohol by treatment with excess of ethylene oxide in presence of base, then formed lottery alcohol ethoxylate. Complete our chapter reading. Thank you.